Today is 8th May at 6 a.m. We are doing our first question, that is the reverse the array from 450 DSA cracker. So we have to click on this title of the question and we will get our question in the new tab. According to the question, it is given that given an array ARR, the task is to reverse the array. Reversing an array means rearranging the elements such that the first element becomes the last and the second element becomes the second last, and so on. Example, it is given that if an input array is 1 4 3 2 6 5, then we have to get output as 5 6 2 3 4 1. So what we have to do? So basically, in the first step we have to define an array. So we have to write def. I am doing this code in Python because I have learned Python and I am a bit comfortable with it. So we have to first define an array, reverse underscore ARR. Okay, so here basically the def reverse dot underscore ARR is our function, and ARR is a parameter what we take that is the input that is to be reversed, and this function modifies the input array ARR in place using a temporary array what we will create in further steps. So we have to do this, and then we have to write n equals to length of ARR basically. So this step is to find the number of elements in the input array. Okay, length is basically an operator which is used to find length of an array. Then the next step is to make a temporary array in the name of temp, that is temp equal to 0. And okay, now we have to apply an loop for I in range n is to temporary array, that is I taking input equal to ARR n minus I minus 1. Okay, now we have to, this is to copy elements from the original array to temporary array in reverse order. Okay, now we have to again form a loop to copy elements from original array to temporary array in reversed order. For that, for I in range n, copy elements back to original array. Okay, ARR I is equal to array. Okay, this is to copy elements back to original array. And then we have to define a class. If name, we have to compare it with main array, that is given by main. So basically, why we have written this step is to, this is a standard way to indicate the starting point of standalone Python script. It ensures that code inside it runs only when the script is executed directly, not when imported as a module. Okay, so this is why we have to define a class here. Then we have defined the class, then we have to provide our array. ARR is in, this is that in list form, that is 1 comma, actually what is given in the question, that is 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 6 comma 5, and we have to write our function name, that is reverse underscore r, and we have to give input as arr, what we have given as an input. Sorry, here I think it didn't took the name. Okay, now it is correct. Now again we have to make a for loop for I in range print arr I. So in the last step we have written loop again, because it iterates through the reversed array and print each element separated by a space, and end is equal to space ensures the output in a single line. So this is our given code for the reverse array question what is mentioned, and now we have to print it, and as you see we get output here. Now again we will check for another array, so it should pass each and every test case. For example, number 2, it is given that 4 comma 5 comma 1 comma 2, and for this as well we get 2 comma 1 comma 5 comma 4 as it is given in the output, so passes the case. Thank you. Follow for more.